Hey boys and girls, it's Miss Tigner here again. I'm here to teach another great phonics lesson. Are you ready? Our learning target for today is I can demonstrate between short and long vowels. Boys and girls, yesterday we began to talk about vowels and how there are two types of vowel sounds. There are short vowels and long vowels. And remember what our vowels are. They are A, E, I, O, and U. And when there are short vowels, when we read, we can hear the sound that the vowel says. Yesterday, we focused on the short A vowel sound. And these are some of the words that have that short A vowel sound. And like yesterday, Miss Tigner is going to stretch out the word and really listen for that short vowel A sound. Do you remember what that short A vowel sound is? Short A vowel says ah, ah, ah. Okay, Miss Tigner is going to read these words for you. At. Did you hear that short A vowel sound? Let's try it with this word. Add. And. Fan. At. Bat. At. Hat. Did you hear that short A vowel sound and the word cat, bad, fan, bat, and hat? I did too. A short A vowel says ah, ah, ah. Today we're going to talk about that long vowels. Long vowels say their name. So when we're reading a word, the A will say A in the word. When reading long vowels, we're going to listen to the vowels say their name. Remember this anchor chart from yesterday. These are our short vowels, and today we're focusing on those long vowels. Miss Tigner is going to stretch out the word cake so I can see if I can hear that long A vowel sound. Remember, the long A is going to say its name. Cake. Did you hear the long A vowel sound? Stretch out the word and read with me. Cake. I heard the long A vowel sound. The long A said its name. Cake. Now listen to me read Pete the Cat Saves the Day. And let's find the long A vowel sounds and words. Pete the Cat Saves the Day. Rain, rain, go away. Pete the Cat wants to stay. Pete here wears his magic glasses. They make a bad day great. Squirrel has just one acorn. Nothing goes her way. Squirrel wears the magic glasses. They make a bad day great. No one plays with Alligator. They are all afraid of him. Alligator wears magic glasses. They make a bad day great. Hooray for Pete! He saved the day. Everyone feels A-okay. Did you see any words with the long A vowel sound? I saw a few words with the long A vowel sound. I read the word day. My finger's going to stretch out the word day to really listen for that long A vowel sound. Da-A. Did you hear the long A say its name? What about in the word way? Wa-A. I heard the long A vowel sound in the word way too. What about in this word? M-A-K. Make. Day, way, and make all have the long A vowel sound that were found in the story that we read, Pete the Cat Saves the Day. Can you think of any other words that have the long A vowel sound? Write them down, okay? Thank you so much for listening to our phonics lesson, and I hope you have a wonderful day.